Hey guys, this is RC Mechanic again, and I have today another mystery box, and this mystery box has to do with the Losi 5T 2.0. Any guesses as to what it is? Let's go ahead and open her up, and then I'll explain it as I go. Alright, so packaged pretty good. Oh look, there's an invoice. Nice. And there's an ad. Oh, came from Horizon Hobby. Alright guys, here it is. The Team Losi Racing 5BT electric conversion kit. Right? So, yes, we're going to convert the 5T over to electric. Reason is I had an unfortunate incident with the engine, and I'm just not going to go there again. Alright? So, what we have here is basically easy convert a 5B or T vehicle using existing mounting holes, achieve insane acceleration. Hey, that'd be cool, wouldn't it? And top speeds, cleaner, longer run times with less maintenance. Wonder if that's going to be true. I guess it depends on the batteries I'm using, right? Or what I put in there for a motor. Multiple servo configurations plus optional mechanical brake servo. We're going to use the brake servo, that's for sure. Carbon fiber battery trays accommodate standard and XL packs. Maintain complete functionality of the stock drivetrain and chassis. All mounting hardware included. That's good. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. It's sealed just like every RC box you get from Horizon Hobby, which is good, and it doesn't look like anything's been tampered with. So I've been toying with the idea, do I invest in all the equipment I need to convert it, or do I just get another engine? So I decided just bite the bullet and go electric. Alright, so let's see what's in here. Alright, we have a really good manual, looks like. It's pretty thick. Let's go through it a little bit. It looks like it describes everything that you need to know to change everything over. Now this, converting this over to electric should make this car a whole lot lighter, which give it a whole lot better launch, I'm thinking. So that's always pretty awesome, right? So anyway, it shows you how to put in where to put the speed controller and all the other brackets. So let's we'll dig into that when we go and install it. The packets are well marked, right? Just like with the Losi Rockeray. We got our C1, our B1 bag. Let's see, how many do we have? Ooh, we have an E. We have an E bag. So this gives me a new antenna tube, clutch bell, bracket right here with the spacers. Gives me a new spur gear, right here, and that would be D. And here's bag A. Bag A has all kinds of crap in it. There's a lot of carbon fiber in here, so they looks like they went to a lot of effort to make this a lot lighter than it normally would be with aluminum. So I'm good with that, right? And yeah. So I know converting gas rigs over to electric has been kind of a thing lately. Many channels talk about it. I have not done it yet. This will be my first time, so when we dig into this thing, just remember that this is my first time, so I might make a mistake or 12, you know. But I will say that this is all really well packaged, and if it's anything like anything else from Losi, they'll probably even give me extra screws, which is good because I end up losing some. Alright, and I just noticed that here on the clutch bell it's got TLR right etched right into it. You see it? You see it? Yeah, that's pretty cool. A lot of aluminum, a lot of carbon fiber. Should give it a lot of strength. So I'm pretty excited about this. I'm actually at the moment I'm waiting for the motor, speed controller, batteries. I'm gonna need a couple more things for the charger so I can do both of the 4-cell batteries. And yeah, that'd be pretty cool because I only like. All right, I'll admit it. I grabbed the wrong can. I grabbed a can for my trimmer, and that's 50 to 1, and the car required 25 to 1. That's the reason why I'm doing this. So I don't want to have to do that again. Because that's, well, it's really embarrassing having to tell you all that, but that's the way it is. This right here will eliminate that issue. And it'll make it electric, and it'll actually run on AS. So I believe the motor and speed controller I bought will go up to 12. I think. Hey, but that's another unboxing, and we'll go ahead and do that later. Anybody have any comments on this? Is this something you'd want to do? Have you watched other channels, commented, and asked them, hey, why don't you go ahead and go electric? You know, tell me their answers. Why they won't go why they didn't go electric. Not won't, but didn't. If you think I'm getting better at these unboxing videos, let me know that too. Just remember, like, subscribe, share. I'm on Facebook as RC Mechanic, and I'm on Instagram as rc.mechanic. So I'll see you there, or I'll see you here.